parlor.
Ngayon,
Ayaw mo na
mag-unbox
mag-practice?
tayo ng
Ayaw na dyan.
peso na t-shirt na nabili ko sa TikTok. So,
Muli
tingnan natin to mga men. Oh, naka-alarm yan. Oh, naka-plastic cover siya. Look at that. Oh, illegal drug. Pero feeling ko, madali lang ito matatanggal ito. Design niya. Maganda yung quality ng tela. Shiny. Napakaganda niya, men. Napakaganda. Look at that. Coffee, illegal drug. So that's for today's video, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para update kayo for our next video. See you guys in the next vlog. Take care.